Hey, it's Ryan with Upfit Supply, and I want to show you this Legend liner package we have installed here on our RAM ProMaster. This is the 159-inch regular wheelbase with high roof, and as you can see, we have our wall liners, our ceiling liners, and our door liners installed here in the back of the van. Now, the wall liners includes a panel for this wall here on the passenger side, as well as this wall here on the driver's side, and the door liners includes a liner for the sliding door, as well as 2 liners for each of the rear doors in the back. Now, in our particular van, we have glass on our rear door, so we actually modified the panel to fit and cover most of the door, but allowed us to retain the use of the glass back there so we can still see what's going on behind us. Now, the ceiling liner is actually 2 panels. We have a long panel up here towards the front and a shorter panel here towards the back that we join with a joiner strip down here. We also have the stability floor installed in here, which is a solid floor. It's almost 1/2 inch thick. It's actually a composite material, so you're not gonna have to worry about rotting or any moisture settling in like you would with a wood floor. This is a 3-piece floor that's joined by some aluminum strips right here. We get to retain the use of our factory D-rings. We also get to retain the use of our rings around the wall here that's on the ProMaster. We also have these wheel well covers installed as well that protect those wheel wells. Also have some insulation on there to help cut down on any road noise, temperature control, and all of that. Speaking of insulation, we also have the Duratherm style liner, which has a layer of insulation behind it. And then even behind this, we have the AutoPly insulation kit that gives us additional insulation value back in this van. Now you can see we opted for some additional accessories with this package. We added in our ceiling lights. These are our motion sensor ceiling light. We added in our wheel well covers. We added in our rear grab handles for the back of the van to make it easier for getting in and out of the van. And then of course we added in our ceiling sills, which give us this beautiful transition between our wall and our ceiling liner. Otherwise, you would just have that factory cavity open up here towards the top of the van. Installation of all these panels and the floor is relatively simple. You're using factory holes with these push-in plastic clips, or there's gonna be some locations where you're gonna use a self-threading screw that's provided in your kit. Now you can also see these red little knobs here on our doors. These are the emergency release for our security lock system that we also installed on this van. It's a cargovan lock that is one of the most secure on the market that's gonna help keep our valuables safe here back in the van. Now, if you're looking for this package or any of these products or any other equipment to get your van ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.